In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create and share WhatsApp group link. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp app and then enter a group for which you want to create a link. Then right here at the very top, tap add group's name to get into group info, and then just scroll down until you find invite to group via link. If we tap on it, we'll be taken to this page where we'll find our current group invitation link, and then we can easily send this link via WhatsApp. We can share this link, we can copy link, or we can copy and send to someone QR code. The easiest way as of me is just tap add copy link. What that will do, that will copy this link to the clipboard, and after that we can go to any other platform like Telegram, and then we can just send this link in that way. Also, right here we can tap add reset link, and as soon as you reset the link, the old link will no longer work and you will need to use the new link to invite to the group. If we hit add reset link, that will create new link in about 1 or 2 seconds. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.